kids, welcome back. Today we are adventuring with letter B. Hello kids, I am B. Let's see what friends can we meet today. Look, our first friend is banana. Hello B. Hello kids, I am banana. B, banana. Yum, bananas are sweet. Here comes the bumblebee. Hello bee, we are bees. Bees. Wow, bees love flowers. Here is a bouncing ball. Hi bee, I am a ball. Bee, ball. Wow, I like to play with ball. Here comes the bear with balloons.
Hello bee, I am bear. Beer. And bee balloon.
Wow, bears are big and strong. And I love balloons. Wow, today we found so many bee words today. Let's remember them together. Banana, bee, ball, bear, balloon. Thanks for joining us in this alphabet adventure. See you next time with another alphabet adventure.